Hey everyone, here I am back at it again with another video, which is basically a surprise which I haven't announced in my YouTube post. So I decided to take the time to announce that I acquired another Dell computer. So what we have here is a Dell Insprion 17R N7110 from 2011, which I found this one on eBay, of course. So the laptop was basically listed for parts not working, but when I got it, surprisingly, there was nothing even wrong with it. I just wiped the hard drive, reinstalled Windows 7, although when I saw on the listing, it had a Windows 10 install, that somebody must have upgraded to Windows 10 throughout its life. But it's in good shape. It's not all cracked and no damages. And what I did was I even installed all the drivers, but I will have a video of it coming soon, running of it fully, even though it's running Windows 7. But just a little sneak peek. But although this laptop would originally came with Windows 7 Home Premium, I decided to go with Windows 7 Professional, which I like Windows 7 Professional better over Home Premium. But the only thing that that's probably gonna have to get replaced is the battery. So even though when I got the laptop unfortunately didn't come with a charger, so I had to buy I had to go on eBay and look for the correct charger. Even though this laptop takes a 90-watt charger. And it looks very identical to the Dell Inspiron 14R, which is a little bit smaller, but it's got similar design, except the 14R doesn't have this numeric keypad on the side. This is a little bit of a more expensive model, to be exact, but and I also got a video coming soon showcasing my new computer a computer that came in today, which is I got myself another Dell Insprion 1318, which that's going to be a Windows Vista computer, which found it for a good deal on eBay, so we definitely got some content coming to the channel. But so it basically got 6 gigs of RAM and a 500 gigabyte hard drive, which a lot of these, when you find them on eBay, most of the time they don't really have their hard drive with the hard drive caddy. But for the Dell Inspiron 1318, I'm waiting on the restore disk so we can do a full Windows Vista reinstall using the restore disk. So stay tuned, and I'll see y'all guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.